Hi, my friends. How's everybody doing out there in the YouTube world? Wow, it's a beautiful evening here, and unfortunately, I am going to work. Somebody really needs to give me the winning lottery numbers so I don't have to do this anymore. It'd be really nice if somebody would hook me up with those. So anyway, let's roll that intro.
Goofy bastard on a Harley, highways calling loud and clear. Windy canyons, wild and gnarly, freedom whispers in his ear.
So recently, I was taking a peek at my sticker board of all the stickers that I've received from various YouTubers, and I have sent them as well to them. And I checked back and looked at all the people I've subscribed to on YouTube, and I can't get over just how many people out there are not on YouTube anymore. It's like unreal. And I get YouTube burnout and I get all that stuff because I went through it and I stopped making content for a few months. But that was just a few months. There are people out there that had great channels, like so much better than this shitty ass one that you're watching right now, that were monetized, that were probably making money. I don't know how much they were making, but they were probably making money, and they just stopped for no reason whatsoever, or at least they didn't give a reason. They just stopped and disappeared. And you look at it and it's like I said, I get the YouTube burnout, I understand that, but it's just, you know, I don't get it. It's a hobby. It's something some of us are passionate about. I don't know how passionate I am about this anymore. I just do it as a hobby, just do it for fun, because yeah, I'm not making any money on this, because I guess I don't put out enough content to get to my 4,000 watch hours in a year, which is fine. You know, that's all good, but it just seems that it's a shame that these content creators just disappear and don't say nothing. And I mean, like I said, some of them were good. Some of them did instructional videos that like helped. And yeah, it's just crazy to think that you got all these shitty ass creators out here that are still doing content, and you know, some of them are making money out of the deal, and they're just shit. I mean, I'm not going to name any names, but there are some people I just cannot watch. Their voice just irks the fuck out of me, and I just cannot watch their videos. And so yeah, it's just, and the people you like, the people you got along with, the people that were making good content out there just disappeared. So yeah, I don't get it. But it is a beautiful day out here, man. It's fucking 70 degrees, gorgeous, sun is shining. Past couple days we've had rain. Not that we don't need the rain. I know we need the rain, blah blah blah. The only thing bad about the rain makes my grass grow. And I've like, no shit, I've mowed my grass every week for the last month. Like, I shouldn't have to mow my grass that much this early in the year. And no, I don't throw the grass clippings out on the fucking street. I actually bag my grass, and then the burro takes it away. But yeah, it's I guess it's the season. You know, look at the grass here, man. This grass has to be cut. I'm sure they haven't cut that in a while. The other thing that sucks is I just cannot keep this motorcycle clean. Like, I have to pull my motorcycle out of the shed and park it in my driveway before my wife gets home, because I just don't have the room in my driveway. So my motorcycle will sit for an hour and a half underneath a tree before I go to work. And fucking shit that falls off the tree, my gosh, it is it sucks. Love the spring for the weather and the new beginnings and the blah blah blahs and the yada yada yadas, but it's dirty in my bike, dirty in my truck. Like, I can barely see out my truck windows because there's so much crap on it. And with it being really nice here lately, I've been riding the bike more to work, and I haven't been driving the truck. I mean, my truck sat for a week without me driving it underneath that tree, getting all the shit on it. And there was no rain until this past weekend to wash it all away. Yeah, don't make sense. I actually went out to the car wash with my truck while it was raining to just pressure wash all the shit off of there. And the funny thing is there was some fucking people at the car wash, man. The place was kind of busy. But I did get everything off, even though it's probably back on again, because my truck's sitting right now. So yeah, doggy barking at me. So I posted a video, fuck, I don't even remember when it was, about my commute to work, and that everything up until towards the end of my commute was decent, and then at the end of my commute is where it gets hectic and dangerous and crazy. And with what they've done recently, with the construction that's going on, it has gotten worse. So right here is like, they got all this construction going on. They're trying to fix the road from the sinkholes and everything else, and it's just, it gets really fucking crazy in this area. Kind of almost makes me not want to ride, but you know, as I've said in the past, most of my riding is done commuting back and forth to work, and if I didn't ride to work, then I wouldn't be riding a lot. That's what sucks. But yeah, it's just, this area just gets crazy. I know the person behind me isn't going to hit me because I know the person behind me. So that's why I'm taking my hand off the clutch, putting it in neutral, or putting it in neutral and taking my hand off the clutch. But yeah, it like, this area right here is just so congested that I don't know, I think it's dangerous. And I can't wait till they're done with this shit so we can get back to normal. And of course, with the detour, everybody's trying to fucking get in front of you. Everybody's trying to find shortcuts and just take the detour. Like, what the hell? Yeah, this is like, see, all like everybody got to make a left-hand turn here, get through the detour. So anyway, yeah, content creators going away. So until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Hopefully I'll make this arrow. Oh damn, traffic.